In Australia, a country defined by extremes, there are few vehicles that truly earn the title of legend. Endless deserts, unforgiving outback tracks, tropical rainforests, flooded rivers, snow-covered mountain passes and thousands of kilometers of isolated roads demand more than just power or luxury. They demand trust. And for decades, one name has stood taller than the rest: the Toyota Land Cruiser. The story of the Toyota Land Cruiser in Australia is not just about a vehicle, it is about survival, resilience, and an unbreakable bond between man and machine. From the red dust of the Simpson Desert to the rugged tracks of Cape York, the Land Cruiser has proven time and time again that it is built not to impress, but to endure. When the Land Cruiser was first introduced, it wasn't designed as a luxury SUV. It was engineered as a working vehicle, a tool strong enough to carry farmers, miners, explorers, and emergency services into places where failure was not an option. In Australia, that philosophy found its true home. Here, a breakdown can mean hours, sometimes days, away from help. That's why Australians didn't just buy the Land Cruiser, they relied on it with their lives. As the years passed, the Land Cruiser evolved, but its core identity never changed. Under the bonnet, powerful engines were built for torque rather than speed, ensuring the ability to tow heavy loads, climb steep terrain, and push through deep sand without hesitation. The four-wheel drive system became a benchmark in off-road engineering, allowing drivers to conquer tracks that others wouldn't dare attempt. Yet what truly sets the Land Cruiser apart is its balance. It is equally at home crawling over rocks in low range as it is cruising smoothly on long highway stretches. In Australia, where distances are vast and roads can disappear without warning, that versatility is priceless. You can drive for hours across sealed highways, then turn onto a dirt track and continue with the same confidence. Step inside the modern Toyota Land Cruiser and you'll immediately notice how far it has come. The cabin is refined, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. High-quality materials, supportive seating, advanced infotainment systems, and intelligent driver assistance features ensure comfort without compromising capability. This is a vehicle that understands its driver, someone who may spend days off the grid but still values comfort and safety. In the Australian Outback, the Land Cruiser has become more than transport. It is a lifeline. You'll find it in the fleets of mining companies, cattle stations, remote medical services, and search and rescue teams. These organizations choose the Land Cruiser for one simple reason: reliability. When conditions are harsh and the margin for error is zero, the Land Cruiser delivers. Families across Australia have also embraced the Land Cruiser as a symbol of freedom. Packed with camping gear, recovery equipment, and supplies, it becomes the perfect companion for long-distance adventures. Whether crossing the Nullarbor Plain, exploring the Kimberley, or heading deep into the Flinders Ranges, the Land Cruiser turns the journey itself into part of the experience. There is a quiet confidence that comes with driving a Land Cruiser. It doesn't shout for attention or chase trends. Instead, it commands respect through performance and reputation. Australians understand this. In a land where toughness is valued and authenticity matters, the Land Cruiser fits naturally into the culture. Modern technology has only strengthened its legacy. Advanced traction control systems, multi-terrain select modes, hill descent control, and improved suspension systems make tackling difficult terrain more controlled and safer than ever before. At the same time, Toyota has ensured that the Land Cruiser remains serviceable and dependable, even in remote areas where specialized tools and parts are limited. What makes the Toyota Land Cruiser truly special is the trust built over generations. Many Australian families pass their Land Cruisers down, each vehicle carrying stories of adventures, work, and memories etched into its panels and chassis. It is not uncommon to see older Land Cruisers still running strong alongside the latest models, a testament to engineering built for longevity. In today's world, where vehicles are often designed for appearance rather than purpose, the Land Cruiser remains refreshingly honest. It doesn't promise perfection, it promises dependability. It doesn't pretend the journey will be easy, it ensures you'll make it through. For Australians, the Toyota Land Cruiser represents more than mobility. It symbolizes independence, exploration, and the courage to go beyond the edge of the map. It is the vehicle that waits patiently at the end of a long day, covered in dust and dirt, ready to take you home without complaint. As the sun sets over the outback and the horizon glows red and gold, a Land Cruiser moves steadily forward, engine humming with quiet confidence. It doesn't rush. It doesn't hesitate. It simply keeps going, just like Australia itself. The Toyota Land Cruiser is not just built for Australian conditions. It is built for the Australian spirit.